In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tip and show you how you can battle inflation and buy milk in bulk and not lose any money on it, no matter what family size you have. The biggest problem with milk is its pretty short shelf life. And if you want to buy a big container and then you don't use it, then you wind up pouring that right down the drain, and that doesn't help you at all. So if you have a small family or you just drink a little bit, then you have a tendency to buy smaller containers, and the cost per gallon is really quite high when you're buying it this way. So for the past couple of years, I've solved this problem by just buying all of my milk directly at Costco in a 2-gallon pack, and it's relatively inexpensive. But then I never lose any milk anymore. So I'll show you exactly how I do it and how you can too, and it's really quite easy. So I'm down here in my deep freeze, and I'm sorry, but I don't have a light, so I just had to use a flashlight. But I store them directly in the box if I have too much in the fridge, and I just put the whole thing in and freeze it. Now when I can see I'm running low on milk, I'll go down here and grab a gallon and then let it thaw, and it takes a couple of days in the fridge. So you have to time it, but you'll get pretty good at that after a while. Now as you can see, it swells when it freezes, but I've never had any breaks, and it also tastes just the same as it does when it's fresh. All you have to do is shake it after it thaws, and then nobody can tell the difference that it was ever frozen. Now depending on your family size or how fast you drink milk, you can just choose how big a quantity you want to freeze. And you can use some high quality canning jars, and you put it in any size that is appropriate for your needs. And then the smaller size allow you to thaw it much faster and regulate it a lot easier. Maybe you just want milk every once in a while in your cereal and you don't even drink it, and you just need a couple of cups. Well, now you can take out exactly what you want out of the freezer and you won't lose any money, and that's the whole point. So here in my main fridge, I can store smaller quantities right here where it's nice and easy and handy, and I don't have to go downstairs with a flashlight to my big deep freezer. And that makes this a lot easier to manage, and it's very convenient. So this method has a number of advantages. For me, I can't tell the difference between fresh and frozen in any kind of taste difference. And I've just completely eliminated throwing money down the drain due to spoilage. And it will allow you to buy in bulk and have the freshest milk possible without any losses. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.